welcome back to Detail Garage. I'm Emily. In a previous video, we tackled the interior of this car. Today, we're gonna work on the exterior. We're gonna cover paint, trim, wheels, so let's get started. So we are going to start the wash with the wheels like we always do. These wheels are super gross. They're covered in brake dust. I touched them earlier, still all over my hands. What we're gonna start first with is two-phase wheel cleaner. This product's really cool. You just spray it on your wheels and you let it sit for a little while, and as it turns purple, you know it's working. And then normally you can just rinse it off, but because these wheels are extra dirty, we're gonna go in with Diablo wheel gel, which is pre-mixed in this bucket, and a wheel brush, and sort of agitate it a little more to get really as much of the grime off as possible. Then we will rinse it off, and these should look perfect. Whoa, it like changes so fast. So now that we've sprayed it, you can see it's already turning purple. That means it's working. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit to just fully get all that stuff lifted and off. And then we are gonna go in with Diablo, further agitate it, and then it should be good to go. This wheel looks super shiny. It's so clean. It's like, not to toot my own horn, but I did an amazing job. So now we're gonna do the rest of the wheels, and then we're gonna get into the wash. It's so shiny. So now that we finished the wheels, we are going to start on cleaning the paint, cleaning the car. I've set up the 2-bucket method. The 2-bucket method is obviously 2 buckets, a dirt trap in each. The dirt traps go at the bottom. They are there so that any dirt that accumulates on a brush, on a mitt, whatever, gets trapped under them. So if you're scooping up soap or if you're trying to rinse, you don't pull that dirt, you don't pull that contaminant, anything that could possibly scratch the paint onto your mitt or onto your brush. So 1 bucket is always clean water. This bucket, I've already put some soap in it. Today we were using Extreme Body Wash and Wax. That's also what's in our foam cannon. Extreme Body Wash and Wax is 2-in-1. It's a soap and a wax, so you're adding protection while you're washing, which is great. Speeds up the process, really good when it's hot in the summer and you don't want to spend that much time outside washing your car. So first things first, we are going to activate the suds in here. Now we're going to rinse down the car. We've got the Big Mouth foam cannon attached to our pressure washer, and it is full of Extreme Body Wash and Wax. Now we're gonna grab our chenille wash mitt and scrub down all the soap. Are you guys having fun over there? Now we are just gonna rinse down the car, dry it off, and then we will move on to the trim. Now we're gonna dry the car with my favorite towel, the Megalodon. Ultra plush twisted loop fibers. So last step in the process, we are going to treat the trim. We're going to use vinyl, rubber, and plastic protectant. VRP is really great. You can use it on the trim. You can also use it on rubber tires. It'll kind of bring them back to life, give them that shine that they're kind of lacking. Same thing with the trim. Bonus, it can be used on interior surfaces too. So let's get started. Just putting a few drops on a microfiber applicator. And then just gonna work it into the trim. I'm doing half so you can see the difference it makes on this, and then we'll finish it up. So if you look at it now, you'll see this side looks really sleek, shiny. It looks great. This is a little more dull. This is the side we didn't do. So what's great about VRP is you put it on, it's dry to the touch. Nothing on my finger, didn't smear anything off of the trim. So really great product. Also, it smells really good. So we're gonna finish up to this side so it's even, and then we will get going on the tire. VRP is super easy to use. It goes on fast. You can get all your trim done super quickly. It honestly makes a huge difference. And that's it. It took like 5 seconds. It's so fast. So we're gonna do the same process. We're gonna do it now on the tires. We started with trim first because the applicator was clean. Trim is cleaner than tires usually, so we don't wanna dirty up the applicator if we can avoid it. Here we go. So again, I'm only doing half to start so you guys can see the difference. So obviously this side has VRP on it, very glossy, more black, less dull. This side, really dull. You can kind of see the split here, down here at the bottom. So again, super fast, super simple, and it really makes a difference, makes your tires look a lot more polished. So now that we finished doing the trim here, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the trim around the rest of the car. You guys don't have to watch that, it's the same process. But if you like this video, if you want any of these products, you can pick them up at chemicalguys.com or at your local detail garage, national retailers. And if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a question, and we'll get back to you. As always, I'm Emily from Chemical Guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.